Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to specify your location bio Instagram on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Write comments, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Safari browser or any other browser you have. Open Google Maps. Further click on your location. Zoom in on it. As you can see, here is a dot. We saw someone clamp the screen. We put a dot where we are. Swipe to the side. Tap share. Swipe down. Press copy. Exit. Go to Instagram. Open your profile. Edit profile. Links. Add external link. This is where we can insert our link. We can sign our location. Or anything else. Click save. Exit and click save again. Now when a person goes to your profile, they can see the link, and this link will be to your location. You click on it, and immediately you will be shown where you are. This is the simple way to indicate your location in bio Instagram. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.